Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll show you how to log into Microsoft Teams as a guest on your desktop. Whether you are joining a meeting or accessing a shared workspace, this guide will walk you through the process step by step. It's super easy, so let's get started. First of all, check your inbox for an invitation email from Microsoft Teams. It usually comes from the organization that invited you. Now, open that email and click on the Click here to join the meeting button. After clicking, a new page will open in your browser. It will ask if you want to open the Microsoft Teams app or continue with the browser. Here, I am choosing to continue with the browser. If you don't have the Teams app installed, you can join directly from your web browser, but for the best experience, I recommend downloading and installing the Microsoft Teams app. Next, it will ask for your name. Simply enter your name. You will also have the options to allow or deny access to your microphone and camera. After that, click Join Now. And that's it. You are now in the Microsoft Teams meeting as a guest. You can chat, share your screen, and participate just like any other user. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips. See you in the next one.